All right, about to deliver this 105th anniversary snap-on toolbox. It's a sapphire blue 68 Epic with work center. And I thought what I would do for the customer that purchased this is get a picture frame and put this month's flyer that highlights the 105th anniversary Epic toolbox. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. Boy, this is gonna be tough. Put that there. No, that ain't gonna work. Oh. Put that bad boy right here. See what that looks like. And maybe I'll let this, no. Well, that's not a perfect fit, is it? Might need to throw some tape on there. I got some packing tape. There we go. Get this centered nice and good. That'd be a nice little touch, right? There we go. I think this customer is going to be excited. What do you think about that? All right, so put that in the drawer right here. Also included a couple of other things. Got the 105th anniversary challenge coin. Be a nice collector's item. And we got the, I'm not going to unfold it, but it's the 105th anniversary flag. Keys. Yeah, I'm on my way to get this box delivered. Stay tuned.